Some people think that I'm traveling all the time, but that's not true. I've been home since August from Portugal. I do want to travel more, but now is the time to save some money. And I'm a teacher. I teach Spanish and English. I've been on a lot of travels this year, but I'm running out of videos to edit since I'm not traveling right now. I will though. So it's time for some new geography videos, and I came up with a new concept. I'm calling it zooming in on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Google Earth and zooming in on countries and then make videos of it. If I enjoy doing this, then I will continue, and if I don't, then I will do something else. Here is how I think I want to start the zooming in videos. Hi, my name is Camilla. I make travel and geography related videos, and in this one we're zooming in on Zimbabwe. That's such a cool intro, right? I spent a lot of time on this yesterday to make this intro, and I'm so proud. I was clapping to myself. No, I'm amazed. I had never used After Effects before, but I'm really proud now, so yay! Let's zoom in. Zimbabwe ranks as number 74 population-wise, and is the 61st largest country in the world. Its capital's name is Harare, and other big cities include Bulawayo and Chitungwiza. Zimbabwe borders 4 countries. We have Mozambique, South Africa, Botswana, and Zambia. And you may think, does it touch Namibia? We can zoom in and take a look. And they do not touch. We have Namibia here, we have Zimbabwe there. Let's just take a look at this distance here. Right, we have 162 meters or something. 156. You can probably still see Namibia from Zimbabwe. The easternmost point of Zimbabwe will be here. The southernmost point is there. The westernmost point is right there. And the northernmost point of Zimbabwe is here. And now I want to know what the longest straight line within Zimbabwe is. So I'm gonna just measure the distance. We can try here first. Let's see, we have about 737, all right? Let's try another place. I think maybe this would be longer. So 818, that's longer. All right, we have 850 kilometers. That's pretty long. So Zimbabwe is in the lead, but it's the first country, so, you know. Okay, and we're gonna go zoom in on the capital city, Harare. I'm gonna go on Street View and see where we end up. Okay, this is so exciting. Okay, we're in a street. I see some people doing something there. Did they buy food? I don't know. Okay, a street. Okay, I see cars. Trade point, electrical and hardware. Okay, that's good. We have House of Spice. Okay, I guess that's a restaurant. Oh, and there are the gas prices of Harare. That's pretty cool. Major lakes of Zimbabwe include Lake Kariba. Let's go there and see. There's Lake Kariba. Okay, this is a pretty long lake. Let's see how long it is approximately. So it starts out about right here. Wow, about 200 kilometers. That's a pretty good lake. Alright, and you can see that it shares the lake with Zambia. Another major lake is Lake Chivero. Right there. There aren't too many big lakes in Zimbabwe. So let's see here, Lake Chivero. Alright, we have a recreational park there and a bird park. Another lake is here, Lake Manyame. Rivers. One long river in Zimbabwe is the Zambezi River, and it goes right here and it forms the border with Zambia, and it streams out right here, you know, it streams, and it has, look at the earth here, all the cracks. It's like it's a canyon. And we have the Victoria Falls there where you can see the Zambezi River. Another river is the Limpopo River that Zimbabwe shares with South Africa. Let's just zoom in on it. Yeah, here goes Limpopo River. And here comes Botswana. And as you see, the Limpopo River continues to stream into South Africa, not Zimbabwe. The tallest point in Zimbabwe is Mount Nyangani. at 2,592 meters or 8,500 feet. Random street view. And we're gonna do a random street view. Let's see. Okay, we have a lot of wilderness here in Zimbabwe. Let's just pick this one. Are you as excited as I am? I am. Okay, looks like the top of the mountain. Whoa! That's a really beautiful landscape. Wow, look at this. It has bushes. It's pretty dry here. Oh, there's people. They're taking pictures. That one is on a cell phone. And that's the sunset. This is gorgeous. Look at those plants. That was a pretty good random street view. And so now I want to know what is on the other side of Zimbabwe. So what I do, I just measure the distance from Harare and I take it to the opposite side of the world to see what the furthest point away from Zimbabwe is on the earth. Let's see. Okay, that point should be about right here. Let's say here. And okay, look, we're really close to Y. Look at this. That's a Y right there. So if we're in Zimbabwe and we want to get to the other side of the earth, the closest country will actually be the United States. That's really cool. I did not know this. Would I want to visit? Yes, of course. I would love to visit. I would like to see the Victoria Falls. So let's just zoom in on this. So we have here the Zambezi River. And look at that fall. It's so big. So much water to see. Just zoom in a little bit. Okay. This is pretty huge. And another good thing about going to the Victoria Falls is there are other national parks pretty close to it. So one national park is the Wangi National Park. It has a lot of wildlife and beautiful nature. So I could go make a weekend out of this. Those were some geographical facts on Zimbabwe. Next out is Zambia. And we're zooming out. Thank you for watching, guys.